Hi, this is Samuel Doncaster. I'm the owner and founder of Fraud Fighters Law Firm, and I want to talk to you about something today called stigma damages. And what we're talking about here is why just getting an undisclosed defect repaired may not be good enough, may not be a good enough solution for you, and why you may be entitled to additional compensation beyond the cost of repair. Some problems with a house are bad enough that no reasonable buyer is going to want to buy it even if it's fixed. Or beyond that, even if somebody's willing to buy it, they may only be willing to buy it at a lower price. And so this continues to affect the value of the property even beyond the cost of repair. So let me give you an example. Say, for instance, you have a property with a substantial amount of arsenic in the well. And maybe you can get some sort of a repair where you put in a filter and that's supposed to fix the problem. But if there's still arsenic in the well, the buyer may not accept that solution, especially if the filtration device requires a lot of maintenance, especially if the filtration device has parts that wear out, especially if the filtration device isn't common enough that there's like a regular company you can hire and they'll just come out and maintain that for, say, $100 a month or whatever the monthly price is. Because then anybody who's buying that property, they now know they have to spend time maintaining that filtration device, whereas they could buy a competing property that's on city water. And so that stigma damage, that damage even beyond the cost of the best repair available, is often an element of real estate fraud cases. Another example, mold. Even if you get mold remediated, there are going to be buyers who are still afraid. There are going to be buyers who are afraid it's going to come back. And so if you're dealing with, say, a mold case, there's still that danger of a stigma damage where even beyond the cost of remediation, you're gonna have damages when you resell the house because you won't be able to get the full price. That's something that a lot of folks don't think about. A lot of folks fixate on the cost of repair, and it turns out they're actually entitled to a heck of a lot more money than they realize.